How to find local deals and coupons on Domino's Pizza. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. You'll find local deals here on the first page as well. What you can also do is click on offers at the top. After you click on offers at the top, you will be leaded to this page here. Enter your postcode, suburb, or store name. And after you do that, simply click on your location and select the store. After you selected the store, you will be shown this page. Below the map, you will find all these options. These are the coupons for your stores. You can see what it offers and click on order now, or you can copy and add it in the checkout, or you can simply press on order now and it will lead you to menu. While you order, it will directly add the coupon for you. This is how to find local deals and coupons on Domino's Pizza. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.